Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English at Home. We are learning parts of speech. In this series, we have already learned noun and its type, pronoun and its type. Now we are learning adjective. Adjective is a part of sentence, it is a part of speech. Now what is an adjective? Let's learn with the help of these examples. Amit. Amit is a proper noun. Clever Amit. The word clever, it describes the noun Amit. The word clever, it tells the quality of this noun Amit. The word clever, it adds the information about the noun Amit. Teacher, a common noun. Strict teacher, again the word strict, it describes the noun teacher, tells the quality of this noun teacher. People, a collective noun. Educated people, the word educated, it describes the noun people, it tells the quality of this noun people. Gold, it is a material noun. Pure gold, the word pure, it tells the quality of this noun gold. Care, advice, these are the abstract noun. Great care, the word great, it describes the noun care. Free advice, it also describes the noun advice. So all these words, clever, strict, educated, pure, great, free, they describe the noun. They tell the quality of these nouns. They add the information about these nouns: Amit, teacher, people, gold, care, advice. So these words are clever, strict, educated, pure, great, free. They are adjectives. An adjective describes a noun. An adjective, it tells the quality of a noun. An adjective adds the information of a noun as well as a pronoun. The word adjective, it means added to. It adds the information of a noun or a pronoun. That means it describes a noun. It tells the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Now look at these examples. She is beautiful. They are helpful. He is tall. He was brave. It is cold. Here in first sentence, the adjective beautiful, it describes the pronoun she. In second, the adjective helpful describes the pronoun they. In third, the adjective tall, it tells the quality of this pronoun he. In fourth, the adjective brave, it describes the pronoun he. And in last, the adjective cold, it describes the pronoun it. An adjective describes a noun as well as a pronoun. An adjective describes a person, a place, a thing, a bird, animal, everything. Look at these examples. The lazy boy was punished. Here the adjective lazy, it describes the noun boy. In second, they live in a beautiful house. The adjective beautiful, it describes this place, house. Third, babies like soft toys to play with. Here the adjective soft, it describes the noun toys, that is things. In fourth, dog is a faithful animal. The adjective faithful describes the noun animal. In fifth, I saw white pigeon. Here the adjective white describes the noun pigeon, that is a bird. Adjective describes the color, the shape, the size, the number, the state, or you can say the condition. Now see here, green parrots are sitting on a tree. The adjective green, it tells the color of this noun parrots. Second, the function is in a big hall. The adjective big, it tells the size of this noun hall. In third, I have a round dining table. The adjective round, it tells or it describes the shape of this noun table. There is one more adjective, that is dining. What type of table? Dining table. In fourth sentence, teacher gave me 10 marks. The adjective 10, it tells the number of this noun marks. In fifth sentence, I want cold coffee. What type of coffee? Cold coffee. The adjective cold, it tells us the state. State here means the condition. So here green, big, round, 10, cold, these are the adjectives. An adjective, it describes or it tells how does a person, a place, a thing look, smell, feel, taste or sound. For example, handsome boy. Here the adjective handsome, it tells how does the boy look. Fresh fragrance of first rain. Here the adjective fresh, it describes the fragrance, the noun fragrance. It tells us the smell, that is the smell of first rain. Smooth surface. Here the adjective tells us how does the surface feel. In fourth, sweet mango. The adjective sweet, it tells us how does the mango taste. In last, loud alarm. It tells the adjective loud, it tells us how does the alarm sounds. We know that adjective is a part of sentence. Now let's learn the position or the place of adjective in a sentence. Look at these sentences. It is a large suitcase. Here the large adjective describes the noun suitcase. In second, she has a black cat. Adjective black qualifies the noun cat. Seema is a beautiful girl. The adjective beautiful tells the quality of this noun girl. Amit is a clever boy. The adjective clever, it gives the information of this noun boy. He gave me 5 pencils. Here 5 is the number and it describes the noun pencils. In these all sentences, adjective large, black, beautiful, clever and 5, they are all used in the first position. So what is meant by first position? First position means before the noun. These adjectives, they tell the quality of these nouns. They tell the attributes of the noun. So what is meant by attribute? Attribute means qualities or the characteristics. So they all are called as attributive adjective. An attributive adjective, it is used at the first position. That means before a noun. An attributive adjective describes the attributes of the noun or pronoun. That means the qualities of the noun or the characteristics of the noun. Now we are learning the position of adjective in the sentence. Now look at these sentences. The building is tall. In this sentence, the adjective tall describes the noun building. Adjective tall is used after this noun building. It does not occur immediately after the noun. It is linked with a linking verb and here the linking verb is. In second sentence, my neighbor is helpful. The adjective helpful is used or it describes the noun neighbor and it is also used after this noun neighbor and it is linked with a linking verb that is. In third sentence, he seems lucky today. The adjective lucky is used or it describes the pronoun he and this lucky adjective, it is used after the pronoun he or it is linked with the verb seems. In fourth, the soldier is brave. Here the adjective brave, it describes the noun soldier and it is used after this noun brave and linked with the verb is. In fifth, my friend is honest. The adjective honest, it describes the noun friend and it is also used after this noun friend and linked with the verb is. So all these adjectives, tall, helpful, today, brave, honest, they are the predicate part of this sentence. So what is the predicate part of the sentence? Predicate part of the sentence means other than the subject. The part of the sentence other than the subject they are the predicate part of the sentence. So here all these adjectives, they are the predicate part of the sentence. So they are called as predicative adjective. A predicative adjective is used after a noun. A predicative adjective, it is a part of a predicate part of the sentence, that is other than the subject part of the sentence. A predicative part or a predicative adjective does not occur immediately after the noun. It is linked with a verb. It is linked with a linking verb, and they use in the second part of the sentence, that is at the predicate part of the sentence. So today we have learned what is an adjective and its position in a sentence, that is attributive adjectives and predicative adjective. I hope you have understood adjective and its position. If you like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share it.